Hi guys, and welcome to my very first video. Me and my wife bought a unit. It was built in 1955 for nearly 1 million kron. It's equal to $100,000. We are going to renovate this unit to make our dream place. First of all, we are going to see the unit plan, what changes we need to do. First, we are not allowed to do some changes ourselves, and I should bring some authorized company, but all of the design and material and buying everything is with me. I'm gonna create a playlist about this renovation and every material I buy and everything I use, and push the button subscribe and like. It's completely free. It'll encourage me to do my best. Thank you, and be with me in the first episode.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no
Hello again. First thing first, I'm gonna show you a quick tour from the unit. We are going to start with the bathroom. It is renovated some years ago, like many years ago, and they add a little extra space exactly from the shower cabin placed on the ground. Then the first room and the biggest room. So we are going to use it as a main room. As you see, there are many things to do. So all the wallpapers, the floor and the walls are completely old. Especially this storage in the house. We are going to turn it to a really great area for our stuff. So literally everything you see in this video gonna change and you will not recognize it after that. The kitchen is not gonna be the same, and the wall between here and the dining room is gonna be removed. I got the permit for doing that recently. As you see on the map, the wall I was talking about, it is this wall between kitchen and the dining room. We are gonna take it down and open the space between dining room and the kitchen. It is a thick wall and it takes too much effort to do that. So I'm gonna focus on this wall. If you want to take down some walls, first of all, I'm gonna mark all electrical wires inside the wall. Don't do it messy and don't hurry with taking down some walls, because it can be some serious material in it and it will damage everything. It will be messy and it will cause many problems for you.
love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being
As you see, the
negative
former
when you should
owner
be
added a wooden layer on the sail, so I'm gonna remove all parts, especially these cabinets on the floor, on the wall, and everything. Just be sure, if you have some electric inside those panels, cut off the cover and then remove that. Safety first.
Slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone
take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Now it's time for the cabinets. First of all, I remove all the doors and then the cabinets itself. This one is really old and it's fastened to the wall. So I'm gonna unscrew it. Needs a little extra push. I'm gonna continue to the top cabinets. The day after, I'm gonna to take down the wall. I put you in the fridge. I hope you're not getting cold. It's really better angle to see what's happening here. I needed to cut those panels smaller to place them in the bags. Then it makes it possible to put them away. I wanted to say thank you for watching the first episode. I should clarify that I'm working a full-time job, so 8 to 5, 7 to 4. And after that, I'm coming here to do the renovation. So I got some help about the piping system, about the toilets, about the electric. According to the laws, private people cannot do that. So if something happened, the insurance won't cover it. So I must get help from some authorized company. I needed some help. for do certain of things for me. So in the next episode, you see what's behind that wall. This apartment didn't change since 1955 or somewhere there. I needed to take out everything, literally everything in the kitchen because we believe in the open space. So in our plan, that wall was completely extra. And of course, we brought authorized engineer. So we knew that already that it was possible to remove that wall, but we should wait for some paperwork to do that. And I got some help to taking down that wall because I didn't have the equipments and didn't have that much time to do that. Remember this old picture of this apartment because you will not recognize it after the renovation is done. I think in all the engineering in Sweden, they were really believed in separated areas. That's why we have too many walls and doors between these spaces. The apartment is really old and it has many history. We will not save anything, literally anything in this apartment because everything is there is completely old and not usable. It might seem that it's tiny steps to start a renovation, but believe me, it's not. Some training flight is flying over me exactly at this time I'm sitting here. So see the next episode to see what's behind that wall, how it can change the whole view in the apartment. So have a great time. See the next episode.